Did you know that over 52 million content creators worldwide are now making money through platforms like YouTube and Facebook? In fact, about 2 million of these creators are earning a full-time income from their content, with top YouTubers and Facebook influencers bringing in up to over 10 million a year or more. Content creation isn't just a hobby right now, it's turning into a booming industry. Do you believe that? I believe it, and today we are going to see how exactly I can make you believe it. This kind of statistics showcases that vast number of creators and the earning potential, making it both intriguing and aspirational. You guys, today I'm diving into a video of which we are going to challenge yourselves, especially you who have not done it before. Challenge yourself with me, use the tricks and use the steps I'm going to show you to make $1,000 from both YouTube and Facebook. YouTube and Facebook are platforms that are found on your phone, are found on my phone, and you can access them very easily without paying for them. Let's dive in and see what we can do. So today I'm challenging you and you're challenging yourself together, or we're challenging ourselves to see how we can make 1,000 US dollars monthly, both on YouTube and Facebook. I know someone out there is going to say there are a lot of challenges that they have faced, especially to creators. I'm talking to creators right now, or I'm talking to people who have already, either you have Facebook and YouTube, or you have already at least had knowledge about it, because I'm not going to go into details so much on how to start it. So how do you think we can make $1,000 on YouTube and Facebook? When I talk about making 1,000 and above dollars on these two platforms, I mean real cash, not hearsays. We have seen people making it. I've made it. I know you can make it. So first and foremost, do you know what Facebook is all about? And do you know what YouTube is all about? I assume you know it. It is accessible. It is found on all our Android and all our smartphone. In fact, I can say all our smartphone. You can find there these two platforms. And these two platforms, why I brought them today, I know you have the potential to make money. I have the potential to make money on it. I've made money on it. You can make money on it. So I want you to put the strategies. But before that, I appreciate these platforms because of the very few points that I'm going to give you. One, these platforms are user friendly. That is one, provided you follow the steps, you follow the rules and regulations. Two, it's easy for you to put your content, meaning that it is free for everybody worldwide. I've not heard anywhere that they don't have access to Facebook. You can have maybe limitations in monetization, but everybody has access to Facebook and YouTube. Then the third one, it's easy for you to make money out of it. So let's dive in and see. I'm telling you to make money, and as in to make $1,000 a month in these two platforms. So let's make it 50. Let's make it 640. We are going to make $600 on YouTube, and we make $400 on Facebook. Is it workable? Yes, it is workable. Are there people who have made it? Yes, there are people who have made it. Why have I brought it today? Because I know you and me, we are there, but there are some people who don't have that knowledge that people are making money on these two platforms. Now, the first step is for you to make up your mind and say you're going to make money on these two platforms. Then the second part is for us to set our targets. Now we are going to set our targets. Well, first of all, I want you to mention in the comment section which niche are you dealing with, because a niche matters a lot as far as making money is concerned. Then the second thing, as we are going to set our target, I want you to remove the misconception of saying that people with high views are earning more money than people with low views. No. It goes back to the first point I've told you. It's all about our niche and how we are going to perform. However, get to know that we need these views, we need the engagement, and we need people to be to recommend us, such that we can get good duration. I mean, as watch time duration. So if I talk about Facebook first, on Facebook, for you to make the 1,000, to make $400, because we have said we are going to make 60 to 40% for us to make the $1,000. On Facebook, you are going to make sure that we post at least 4 posts, and above, which are 3 minutes and above on a daily basis. So suppose on everyday basis, out of this 400, we are going to divide it into 30 days, 400. So if you get 400 and divide it by 30 days, how much will you get? I want you to go down. Let me get my calculator. We are being practical and see what we are going to do. So we are going to get $400. We want to get it on Facebook. We divide it into 30 days from today. So it means every day we want $13. Is it workable? Yes, but it is workable if you follow this strategy I'm going to tell you. Follow this strategy by posting 4 videos which are 3 minutes and above everyday basis. And at the same time, you make sure you do the necessary things, like by engaging your audience. You make sure that you share to relevant groups and you share to your profile, without forgetting that you keep these ones friendly, user friendly, and community based friendly. As far as Facebook is concerned, don't violate any rights. When I'm talking like that, it means that there are rights that we don't need to violate. For you to make $13 per day on Facebook is very easy. If you're posting 4 posts on a daily basis, it means every day you're going to be fetching from that post. Now, what is the second thing for you to look up to? Look up to the posts that are going to remain evergreen. When I talk about evergreen, that people will be searching on every day. So even if you're earning from this, you can find yourself, you earn like 26 or 30 on one post. Every day people are searching for it and they are watching it. So if we do that, we are going to get our $400 on Facebook easily. Let me go now to YouTube. As we said that we're going to make 60 to 40%, whereby YouTube will be making $600. So on YouTube, I want us to challenge ourselves. Before, I made the $1,000 by posting only 2 posts per day. And sometimes I would even skip a day because I didn't have time. Now that you're coming, and I don't know your niche, your audience, because the more you post, the more YouTube will recognize you, and even the more your audience is going to put trust in you. So suppose your niche is not fetching a high CPM or RPM. Okay, I can simplify it. Suppose your niche is not fetching a lot of money from advertisers. You're getting little money. How much do you think we need to earn on a daily basis on YouTube to make sure that we are getting the $600? I'll make $600 from today and divide it by 30. If I divide it by 30, it means on a daily basis we need $20 from YouTube. Is it workable? Yes. But how will you maintain it? You're going to maintain to get this $20 per day by making your post evergreen. I don't know your niche. Depending on your niche, if you want to know how to make your post evergreen, write it in the comment section. Then when you make them evergreen, you make sure that at least post 3 posts. I made $1,000 from YouTube by making 2 posts. Now, if at all your niche maybe is not doing, like, it's not fetching, because there are some niches that are not going to be paid highly, please, I want you to post 3 every day. And how are you going to post 3 every day? I want you to go to your dashboard, go to your analytics, and that is by going to your YouTube studio and see when exactly are your audiences. I'm calling them your customers, your clients, your royal fans. When are they on YouTube in your business? That is on your YouTube. You are going to see that your customers or your audience is always present at this time. That's the time you're going to be posting on a daily basis. Let's make it a rule and see. Don't forget to post also shorts out of these videos. Out of these videos, you can cut shorts and put there. Shorts bring little amount of money, but they can contribute to you to $20 that you want on YouTube on a daily basis. That's what I do. So get to know that you're going to say, I know you're going to say that, Christine, this is hectic. It is very hard. Here, 4 posts, here 3 posts. Yes, you're going to use one video. One video, you're going to multiply it. You're going to be posting one video on Facebook and that one video on YouTube and cut it into 3. Already you're in position to post even more than 10 posts, more than 10 videos on Facebook. Then the shorts and reels can only be gotten from even the videos that you've made. So it is very easy for you to get this money, I'm telling you. However, as you see my face, it is not simple. As I say, that is not simple, because 1, you have to time yourself. 2, you have to follow your schedule. 3, you have to be consistent. The goal is to make $1,000 in a month. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. If we recap, the only thing you need to do, you need to make sure that you post in this. Here on Facebook, we're going to post 4 posts, and on YouTube, we're going to put 3. And after posting, I want you to go and do a very good thumbnail, do a very good title. How will you do these ones? Go to VIDQ. I want you to upload or download that app. Go and download that VIDQ. Use it for optimization. We meet tomorrow.